benefits of yoga during COVID and post COVID times. Welcome to the world of yoga. Yoga is our ancestral knowledge. We Indians are proud of this ancestral knowledge, which is the Sanskriti of our great nation. So, yoga benefits three aspects. One is body, second is mind, and third is spiritual or the soul aspect. So, these three are benefited if we practice yoga on daily basis. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Three kinds of doshas are present in our body according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a part of four Veds, which are a part of our Indian roots. So, coming back to yoga, so the Vata Pitta Kapha is related to three kinds of disorders. One is related with fire energy, other is related with the water, and third one is related with the air energy, that is the Vat, Pit and Kapha. Pit is the acidics which are inside our body, while the Kapha is related to all kind of cold and cough and nasal disorders, all these kinds of things. So the yoga practices help us to fight these anomalies and become normal. Let's move on. Coping with COVID, yoga and meditation. Now talking about the present scenario, COVID has destroyed many families and it has given lot of pain to us. So first of all, we'll start with a prayer. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. This shlok, it means may all beings everywhere be happy and free, and may the thoughts, words, and action of my own life contribute in some way to that happiness and to that freedom for all. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. It is a moment of pride and honor for a nation like India, which is our nation, and we are so proud that our ancestral knowledge has been acknowledged worldwide and it is benefiting all the people of the world. Again, coming back to the Vasudevaka Kutumbakam, because we feel everybody is equal and nobody is above or below us. So, we are very proud that this day is included as a worldwide day. The Yog Divas is celebrated all around the world. Yoga is the practice of quietening your mind. These are the words of the great saint Patanjali, and it means a lot because mind the if we have stress in our mind, we cannot live happily. At Yoga Anushasanam, now begins the instruction in yoga. So, first pranayam I'm going to tell you is Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom has many benefits. It helps in keeping mental disorders at bay. It improves concentration and it boosts our Jataragni, that is the digestive fire, and improves digestion, strengthens our lungs, and we need it to strengthen our lungs so that the COVID virus does not attack our lungs. Okay, so next pranayam is the Brahmari Udgit. It is the Naad of Om Swara from our nose while we keep our hand on our eyes and forehead, the first finger, and with our thumb we close our both the ears. Next one is Kapal Bhati. It is done empty stomach always, and it has many benefits from BP, diabetes, blood pressure, and curing many other problems. So I hope you all have known these benefits of Kapalbhati. It also strengthens our abdominal area, which is very important. Mandukasana. Mandukasana is done for flexible body, and many other kind of diseases can be fought with the help of Mandukasana. Especially for diabetics, it's very good. Shashakasana. The both Mandukasana and Shashakasana done in Vajrasana pose. First you sit in the Vajrasana, that is the folded knees, and then with the help of your hands, for Shashakasana the hands are held upwards, and for Mandukasana the hands are put on the stomach area, and then a deep breath is taken, and while going downwards, bending downwards, releasing the breath and staying there for a few seconds. Mandukasana gives you relief from diabetes, digestive disorders, and constipation. This improves flexibility and mobility of the knee. Butterfly pose is a pose that encompasses the entire hip area. It is a very easy asana, and it also is used for as a preventive measure for multitude of other issues. Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is important for those who want to make their neurological mind, strengthen the mind capacity of physical coordination, calms mind and body, and develops self-confidence in the yogis. Those who are having some problem with their knee or feet, they should not do this asana. Yogic breathing practices, respiratory function improves, it improves your immunity, inflammation decreases, psychological stress decreases, and thus the COVID-19 severity can be decreased and recovery time will improve. Gomukha Asana. Benefits of Gomukha Asana. It improves body posture, relieves tension from shoulder, and stimulates your kidney function. And for this, you have to sit with the legs, you can see in the picture, folded legs, and both the hands join at the back. Trikonasana. It is a very fun asana for kids also, because in this you have to touch like an aeroplane pose, it is called. Touch your feet with your right feet with your right hand, and one hand goes up in the air. Chakki Chalasana. This is good for people dealing with obesity, diabetes, and many other disorders. And it is also helpful in strengthening abdominal area, back area, and this is actually at the older times people used to use this chakki. It is kind of an important asana for people especially dealing with obesity. Yoga is for your peace of mind and soul. As I told earlier also, this is very important if you want to achieve the 3 areas in your life. Yoga is for your healthy life. So on this Yoga Divas, let's all of us join together in this practice of yoga and meditation to achieve more with both spiritually, bodily, and all kinds of consciousness are awakened. Thank you. Have a nice day.